Hi, my name is Jeffrey and I'm a rising sophomore at San Mateo High School. For my final project, I built a robotic arm out of aluminum and wood and servos and potentiometers and an Arduino. So the way this works is by the Arduino reads the potentiometers, which are right here, and then outputs a certain degree to the servos. Now all of this is homemade except for the servos, Arduino, and potentiometers. I got the wood and cut it myself. I got the aluminum and cut that myself. And so, because I don't want to bore you, I'll give a demonstration of this picking up a pencil. Now this does get quite loud, so I'll stop talking and just let you watch. And so as you can see, it works quite smoothly. So that is about it. Now some of the challenges I faced during this were involved having to cut all this by hand since we did not have any jigsaw for cutting metal properly. And also another challenge was calculating all the correct torque requirements and other physics involved. And the last challenge was basically just waiting for parts to arrive. Now some of the better parts about this project were that it was incredibly fun to build, and it combined all three aspects of mechanical, electrical, and computer engineering. And so it's taught me a lot, and I've had a great time building this. Alright, so the way the electronics works is it is controlled by an Arduino inside this nice wooden case. As you can see, here's the Arduino. Currently it's powered by USB. And then all this wiring looks messy, but it's very simple. These four sections are from the potentiometer on the outside. And they are read by the Arduino's analog inputs here. And they're powered by the 5 volts and the ground on the Arduino. And the servos are connected to these two. They're powered by these two wires, which are connected to the DC power supply right over here, and they're controlled by pulse width modulation on the Arduino. And what that does is it sends signals of different width, pulses of different width to the servo to designate which angle the servo will be at. And finally, the way the code works is it just reads each analog input and it converts it to a certain degree, measure, and then it outputs that to the servos. And it's very simple code. If you want to, you can see a link, or you can find my code in the GitHub link above.